Hello, myself Shivali Jambal, Senior Lecturer in History from Boys Model High Secondary School, Samba. Today is 31st May, that is World Tobacco Day. A cigarette or a pipe for puffing tobacco has fire at one end and has a fuel at the other end. Today is World's No Tobacco Day. What is the need of celebrating this day? Because each year numerous people all over the globe are dying of this habit. You might think cigarettes make you cool, but it's killing you, fool. When you smoke, you not only harm your lungs, but also affect the people around by making them passive smokers. Every human has the right to clean and fresh air. When you take in that puff of smoke, think about the family who is back there at your home, hoping for you to be safe. When you smoke, you carry the disease within you. You are not living if you are smoking. You are taking small steps towards a disastrous life. Tobacco is the second leading cause of cardiovascular diseases after high blood pressure. Tobacco use and secondhand smoke exposure contribute to about 12% of deaths from heart disease. Now let's see the global scenario. Worldwide, nearly 1 billion people smoked in 2015. 1 in 4 men and 1 in 20 women smoke. Number decreased since 1990. Deaths attributable to smoking have gone up by 4.7% globally. 10 countries with the largest number of smokers in 2015 were China, India, Indonesia, USA, Russia, Bangladesh, Japan, Brazil, Germany, and Philippines, who together accounted for 63.6% of world smokers. In low-income countries, sometimes more than 10% of the household income is spent on tobacco products, meaning less money for food, education and health care. ज़्यादा 10% अगर हम हाउस होल्ड इनकम टबैको पे ही यूज़ करेंगे तो खाने के लिए, एजुकेशन के लिए, हेल्थ केयर के लिए पैसे कहाँ बचेंगे? Some people believe that hookahs and e-cigarettes are safe, but actually they are not. Hookah smoking is the use of water pipes to smoke a special type of tobacco with various flavors. It has health risks similar to cigarette smoking. It is as addictive as cigarette smoking. Water pipe smoking delivers nicotine. Tobacco liquids from hookahs irritate the mouth and increase the risk of developing oral cancers. It could also cause lung cancer, cancer of esophagus, stomach cancer, bladder cancer, decreased fertility, reduced lung function. It also kills brain cells. When people share hookah mouthpiece, that leads to diseases like TB and oral herpes. So there are some myths related to tobacco. First myth is that tobacco doesn't cause health problems. Problems that might affect children and youth more quickly when they use tobacco are bad breath, yellow teeth, smelly clothes, more colds and coughs, heavy on pocket, and difficulty keeping up with friends when playing sports. Second myth, that tobacco is not a killer. But the truth is, the global tobacco epidemic kills nearly 6 million people each year. More than 6 lakh of these are non-smokers dying from breathing second-hand smoke. The third myth is that people think that they are young and tobacco cannot harm them. But the truth is, Most people start smoking before the age of 18, and almost 25% of those start using tobacco before age 10. Long-term effects before the age of 18 include chronic diseases like lung and stomach cancer, stroke, and heart disease. In present time, we all know that the world scenario and COVID-19 pandemic situation, this is very important to know that tobacco and vape users are more likely to experience severe COVID-19 symptoms as compared to non-users. That's more than enough reason to quit now and forever. Say no to tobacco, because life has no review system. So I hope you all will take the pledge not to smoke and not to use tobacco, because it is very harmful not only to you but also to the others nearby you, because they become passive smokers. Thank you very much.